Tired of manually transferring leads and losing valuable time? Let's dive straight into connecting Zapier with Zapier to automate your lead management, making your workflow smoother than ever. First, log into your Zapier account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Now, click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. In the Trigger section, search for Zapier selected. As your trigger app, this tells Zapier to watch Zapier for new leads. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger event. Select New Lead. This specifies that we want to start the Zap whenever a new lead is added to Zapier. Click on Connect Zapier account. A new window will pop up, prompting you to enter your Zapier API key. You can find this key in your Zapier account settings under the Integrations or API section. Copy your API key from Zapier and paste it into the Zapier window. Click Yes. Continue. Zapier will now test the connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Now, let's set up the action. What do you want Zapier to do when a new lead comes in? Search for the app you want to connect Zapier to. This could be your CRM, email marketing platform, or even a simple Google Sheet. For example, I am going to search for Google Sheets. Choose the action you want to take. For example, if you selected Google Sheets, select Create Spreadsheet Row. This means every new Zapier lead will automatically create a new row in your specified Google Sheet. Now, customize the action by mapping the fields from Zapier to the corresponding fields in your chosen app. This tells Zapier where to put each piece of lead information. Click Test Action to send a test lead to your chosen app and make sure everything is working perfectly. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Congratulations, you've just automated your lead management with Zapier and Zapier. This will dramatically improve your efficiency and lead nurturing.